Assalamualaikum, dear student. We will proceed with topic speed. That introduction is done in the previous lesson and we have learned about the conversion of different units. We will see that how to solve some problems involving speed concept. Recall the concept of speed. That what is speed? Speed is defined as a distance traveled per unit time, and the following triangle is showing the relationship between speed, distance and time. Now, as there are three things involved as speed, distance and time, any of these may be missing in the following questions, and you can change the formula according to the unknown value involved. So hence, if the speed is missing, you will form the formula as speed equal to distance traveled over time taken. Solving for speed, recall the triangle speed equal to distance over time. Now second, if the time is missing, you can see that the formula change as distance over speed. Solving for time. Recall the triangle. Now time is to calculate and it will be solved as distance traveled over speed. Third one is distance equal to speed into time when the distance is missing. Again, from the triangle we can see that distance equal to speed into time. With the help of a question from exercise 90, we can have a better understanding of the formulas to use. Question number 2 is given as a high-speed train travels at a speed of 200 km per hour. If the train sets off from the station A at 12:24 and reaches station B at 14:12, find the distance between two stations, giving your answer in meters. In the question, distance is missing. So if the distance is missing, which formula we are going to use? Yes, distance equal to speed into time. Now speed is given as 200 km per hour, means distance is given in kilometer unit and per hour is showing that the time that will use is in the form of hour only. Now the time, two times are given, the started time, arrival time and the departure time. You can see that the arrival time is 14:12 and the departure time is 12:24. Recall the concept that when we are going to find out the journey time, so J equal to A minus D. That is done over here. 14:12 minus 12:24 and the result is 148. Keep it in the mind that when we are going to solve speed question, we take only journey time, that is time taken. We take only journey time, that is time taken. We do not consider departure time or arrival time as the time taken. So first we have to take out the journey time from the given things and then we will use it to find out distance. Here the journey time is as a result 1 hour and 48 minutes. Speed is given in kilometer per hour, so we will convert 1 hour and 48 minutes into hour only. So 1 hour means 60 minutes and 48 minutes together it will become 108 minutes, and to form hour only we divide this 108 by 60. Hence the result is 1.8 hour. Now put the findings in the distance formula to find out the distance. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 200 km per hour and time is 1.8 hour. After the multiplication, we will find out the answer, that is 360 km. As the speed was given with kilometer per hour, so the finding of the distance with the unit of kilometer. Now you can see in the question that they have asked you to find out the distance between two stations and giving your answer in meters. Still we are not completed with our question, with our solution. We will convert this 360 km into meter. Now there are 1000 meter in 1 kilometer, so we will multiply 360 into 1000 and it will result as 360,000 meter. A further question is solved to enhance the concept from workbook 1, question number 23. Open up your workbook to have a better understanding of the question. Question is, Michael leaves his house at 8:37 and travels by motorcycle to railway station, which is 27 km from his house. A part is, if he arrives at the station 36 minutes later, find the average speed at which he travels in kilometer per hour. Now, as they have asked speed in kilometer per hour, kilometer is given as 27 km in the question, while the time is given as in minutes. We will convert here 36 minutes into hour. Again, as we are going to convert into hour, we will divide it with 60. So 3 by 5 hour, or you can convert it into decimal, it's up to you, or you can keep it as 3 by 5 hour. Now the speed is we have to find out. Distance traveled, that is 27, and the time taken is 3 by 5. Again, fraction over fraction, the 5 will reverse and will multiply with 27. So 27 into 5 divided by 3. You can do either cancellation or do multiplication and then divide, and hence you can get your answer as 45 km per hour. The second part of this question is, if the train which is due at 9:42 is 11 minutes late, how long will he have to wait? Now the train is late 11 minutes. The time at which Michael reached the station was 8:37 was the departure time. 36 minutes it took to reach the station. So the arrival time is 9:13 after adding the departure and journey time. Time at which the train arrives at the station, 9:42 plus 11 minutes, that was late time. So the arrival time on the clock of the train is 9:53. Now have a difference. Train reaches at 9:53 and the Michael reaches at station at 9:13. So after subtracting these two timings, we have that he has to wait for 40 minutes over the station. Hope you understand these two concepts, that how to solve different problems using speed concept, and you can see that we have used the time concept as well. So you can solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 9D and question number 23 and 24 from workbook in your notebook. Good luck to solve this question.